How to uninstall Eclipse on Windows 11. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can uninstall Eclipse on Windows 10 or 11. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. Now in order to uninstall or remove any application that is installed on your Windows 11, then what you can do is you can first, at the bottom you'll find your start menu. You can click on it, left click on the mouse, and then on the search bar, click on the search bar, and you can search in for add or remove programs. Now in my case, you can see here, right here, it has popped up. Now it'll pop up similarly. So once it pops up, you want to tap on it, and then you want to tap on open, or it'll just open it up, as you can see here. And your list of installed apps on your PC or your Windows should show it up here. Now in order to uninstall it from here, what you can do is, now I don't have the Eclipse here, but if you have it, then you can search for it, or you can scroll down and look for it, and then you can simply either tap on it, or you can click on the three dots option at the right hand side, left click on the mouse, and then you can see uninstall option. Beside every app you'll get the uninstall option, so you just have to locate Eclipse and then click on it, and then click on uninstall, and your uninstalling process will start up and you'll be able to uninstall it. So this way you can uninstall Eclipse on Windows 11. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.